Usage of auto cook function. Apple Cupcake. Your microwave oven is having various auto cook options and number of auto cook menus depending upon the model. In this video, we will show you the process of cooking a recipe using auto cook menu in a particular model. Recipe is to prepare Apple Cupcake using auto cook menu. Refer owner's manual for recipe number, and our recipe Apple Cupcake is under Diet Fry or Kids Delight section and having recipe number BA9. To select this, press Diet Fry or Kids Delight button until BA1 appears. Then rotate dial to select BA9 code. Now press Start button and display will show PRH, which means microwave oven started preheating the cavity. After beep sound, display will show blinking 180, which means cavity is heated to a temperature of 180 degree centigrade and it is ready for baking. Open the door and place the cake mold with ingredients on low rack. Press Start and display will show time required for cooking. After cooking is complete, microwave will beep and end will be displayed on panel. Open the door and your Apple Cupcake is ready.